Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. Today we are going to be unboxing the RPNB gun safe. So I needed a safe for a couple handguns I have that I like to keep in the house that are accessible, but I didn't have anywhere to put them, so they just kind of been laying around, but I needed a gun safe, so I went ahead and I picked up this RPNB multifunctional pistol safe. Its model number is RP19001E. Instruction manual I'm going to check out, but I just want to show what it looks like coming out of the box here. Got a little accessories packet here. Came on top. Let's see what's inside. Inside we got the card. So when you buy this safe, you got a card that opens it. You got some actual keys. And then you have like a little key fob that also is just a touch and open. So you have the key options, two of those, the key fob, and the credit card. This is not metal or anything like that. It's just almost like a regular credit card. It's just a little bit different material, pliable. So those are the accessories that came with it. Then inside the box there, and so this safe weighs about 20 pounds. So it's a little bit heavier, which is good. I was looking for something that was heavy. I can go ahead and pull that out, move the box. And here you go, it's in a plastic bag there. And then there you go, that is the safe. Looking at that, it's got your number key. You got your keys down there where you could open this piece up. I'm assuming. It's the first time seeing this. I got to check everything. So that is what it looks like out of the box. I'm going to get kind of acquainted with it, learn how to use it, and then I'll be back here in 2 seconds to show you what I know about the safe after using it for a little bit. Coming back. All right, so you want to start by pulling back the little key area here. So it's just a little rubber flap. Pull that back. You use one of the keys to put it in there. So again, I'm one-handing all this. Put the key in, turn, and it opens up. Inside, we got our little throwaway. And then it has some mounting screws. So if you look underneath the pad here, this pad's very thin. You can see we have 2 holes. So those are the holes that if you were going to mount this inside of something to secure it so no one can take the entire safe, that's the way you're going to do it, but it does include the 2 screws that come with that, as well as if you're going to put it in drywall, you got your drywall anchors in there as well. So once you get this open, a lot of the things that are important are inside. So if I flip this around and get inside here, you can see right here is where the batteries go. So I'm going to take my pad out again. Our batteries go here. It takes 4 AAA alkaline batteries. They're very specific about that. So 4 AAAs, which I have, and then inside here is also your program button, which is important because should you forget your code or anything like that, and as long as you have your key, you hit that button, it opens it up. The last thing you want to do is lock your keys inside, so make sure you never put your keys in, because if you do that and then something with the battery goes bad, you're really screwed. So to set this thing up, you got to get those 4 batteries. I'm going to go ahead and put those in. All right, so my batteries are in there. And once the batteries are in, it did beep 1 time to let me know that they were on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery cover back on. All right. And so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and program it. So in order to program our code, there is a default code. It's 1234. You hit this program button and these should light up. And that 2 beep lets me know. So your code can be between 3 and 8 numbers. So I'm gonna go ahead and just program it with what I'm just gonna set a dummy one right now. And then once you put your code in, you go ahead and hit the program button again. It beeps twice to let you know that it was accepted. So I'm going to go ahead and close this and let's try it. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and program our key card and our key fob. So I'm going to open my safe up. Now once it's open again, I'm hitting this program button inside. It's going to beep twice. And then all I do is hold my card over the sensor. And that double beep says it's programmed. To check that, you close the lid, and then you hit any button and hold your card. And it opens. Key fob programming is going to be the same way. I'm going to go ahead and hit that program button in there. Hold my key fob. Go ahead and close it. Hit any button. And there you go. So I've now programmed both of these. It did take a second on the card. The first 2 times I tried it, it beeped like multiple times, like 5 times, and that did not program. So that is the way to program all this. Very, very quick. And like I said, it's a nice safe if you're looking for something that's compact. This will easily fit in the drawer. It's got a low profile. I'm going to say it's only about 3 inches high, maybe 3.5. But you could see the profile of the whole thing there. So overall, I like this safe. But let me see what it looks like with some guns in there, and then we could decide how much room we actually have. All right, so here I got 2 of many guns that I have, but these are the 2 that I want to keep in this safe. My other ones are packed in my other safe. But here I got my M&P 45 plus the clip, so I would just kind of put those together. And you can see how that fits in there. I'm thinking that, you know, if you had 2 handguns, you probably fit maybe 3 in there. You put 1 here. Maybe if you had something in between. But I too want to make sure too that when I'm opening this, it isn't hitting the gun at all. So if I put it back here, you can see that it doesn't actually touch it all, which is nice. I can't feel it scraping against there, but for sake of the video, I show it like that. Easily put my, so I got a Smith & Wesson 38 Special as well. I'm putting that in there. And I'm just going to throw my bullets in with that one. I don't use that very often. If someone comes in the house, I'm definitely pulling this guy out for them. So there you go. So that's kind of your profile in there, what you could fit. Like I said, you could probably fit 1 more gun in there. But depending on what you got, it's a great safe here. I'm really happy I got this. You know, my kids are starting to get a little older, getting explored a little more throughout the house, and I just don't want them stumbling upon anything and having access to this. So see there what we got. And that is the review. So this is actually an Amazon product. I spent under $100 on this. I'd like to say it was like $88. I'm going to put a link down below. Again, this is the RPNB gun safe. It's got the wireless to it, the RFIDs, and you also got the keys there, plus your code. So a lot of different ways to get in. 4 AA batteries. It does not come with batteries. I might as well mention that. If you want to purchase this safe, if you click the link down below, that helps us. It helps you. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments or you want anything updated about this, please feel free to reach out in the comments below. We're always watching them and I will answer. So thanks for watching. This was another random review and how to. Have a great day.